Hello, and welcome back to the Dog Sitter's House podcast. This week, I am going to show you how I built a six-figure dog business without the burnout and without a huge team. A lot of dog business owners, be it a dog walker, a dog boarding and daycare, at home business owner, even a groomer, think that they have to hire a large team to make six figures without the burnout. And I can see why. It's logical. So I agree, it is one way you can do it. However, there's pros and cons to hiring a team. The pros, obviously, are that you can essentially, quote unquote, clone yourself and end up having more bookings because you don't have to be everywhere. The other pro would be the ability to take a vacation without shutting down your business if you have a reliable team. And it's a bonus if you really enjoy doing the work of an HR manager or something, right? You'd be hiring, you'd be interviewing, you'd be training, things like that. And lastly, if you apply the things that I talk about today, you can not only earn six figures, but you can earn multiple six figures, if not into seven figures, depending on how large of a team you want to grow. And with this system, you'll be able to do it with much more ease, less headaches, more predictability, and less time. On the flip side, some of the cons are that you pretty much end up being the backup plan if somebody calls in sick. If you don't have a large enough team or somebody on call at all times, it falls on your shoulders. Another con is if you don't like being stuck in the office all day, hiring, interviewing, scheduling, managing a team, then congratulations, because you just created yourself a job that you don't like. And lastly, instead of easing the burden of work for yourself, you could actually end up working longer hours because now you're responsible for somebody's paycheck, which means you need to bring in more business to make sure you're going to be able to fulfill that promise to your new employee. This means more time and energy and even money spent on marketing to get new customers, and more time spent dealing with customer service, and on and on and on. However, in today's episode, you'll actually learn how you can earn six figures without having to hire a big team. And if you already have one, you'll learn how this system can help you scale into multi-six figures and more. So you see, it's completely versatile and customizable to what your vision is and what you enjoy doing the most.